So let's look at how to root your Android device using Magisk 23. I'll be also showing downloading process of Magisk as well. So before getting started, if you are new here, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. Last day I did made a video on what is meant by routing. If you haven't seen yet, you can go ahead and watch it out. To begin with, you need to have a unlocked bootloader with any custom recovery installed. I am currently using HaveOS 4.8 with TWRP 3.5.2 recovery, which is not rooted. You can see the result in root checker of course. First is to download Magisk 23, the latest version from their official website. Open your Chrome browser and just type Magisk. From the result, open the Magisk Manager site, most probably the first one. If you scroll down a bit, there will be option named Download Magisk app. Select it and waiting for few seconds will start downloading the application. If it asks for location, select the location and download it. Once application is downloaded, next is to make it recovery flashable file. You have to use your file manager for that. I am using Google Files now. If you want, you can use your default one. Navigate into download folder and you will see magisk.apk file. Now select the application and rename it. You need to replace the root.apk into .zip and save it. This will make the file recovery flashable. Once done, reboot your phone into recovery. Once you are in your current recovery, navigate into the file by selecting install. Select the Magisk 23 zip file and swipe to flash. Once done, reboot your phone into system. If you stuck with boot logo, try force rebooting it. Once you logged in back to system, let's wait few seconds for Magisk app to show up. Once it shows up, select the application and open it. You will get prompted for download and install. Select OK from here. Wait until application finish installing. Give unknown source installation permission and wait if it's asked. Now you will get option for opening the Magisk application. As you see, the Magisk 23 is successfully installed. You can check the safety net from here. It is failing because the device is rooted. There are some workaround to pass it. Link is there in the description. As a final, let's open root checker and check. You will get prompted for super user permission. Select grant from here. So here it is, your Android device is now rooted properly. So that's it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you like my work and I'll catch you in next one.